to add a product to your wishlist in the Temu app. Start by opening the app and navigating to the home page. From there, search for a product you'd like to add to your wishlist, either by browsing or selecting an item from your cart. Once you've found the product, such as a pair of headphones, look for a heart icon in the top right corner of the screen. If you have access to this feature, clicking the heart will allow you to add the item to your wishlist. However, it's worth noting that this feature is not available to all users, and it appears to be a new feature being rolled out slowly. If you don't see the heart icon, it's likely because the feature hasn't been enabled for your device yet. You can try checking back regularly to see if the feature has been added. For those who do have access, adding a product to the wishlist is as simple as clicking the heart icon, and you can then find your wishlist by navigating to the relevant section. If you're unable to find the wishlist feature, it may be worth checking back in the future to see if it's been added.